In this video, I'm just going to give you an intro for a very long journey that we are going to go together in this, where I'm going to tell you how to set up your own diet. It's going to have no bullshit, just straight answers of what to do, what not to do, and how to do it. There's a fuck ton of confusion out there with what you should eat, what you shouldn't eat. I'm going to clear everything. So I'm going to start with few things. I really want to make this clear exactly what this program is not about, because there is so much misconception and misinformation out there. So what this program is not about is, I'm not going to give you any magical sort of hack that is going to just make you lose weight every week or every month or something like that. It's just going to make you lose weight and then you're done for it and you don't have to care for it, and it's just going to magically maintain somehow for the rest of your life. This program isn't about that. Okay, I'm going to tell you how weight loss works in the real world, not on internet, not on social media, not on these fake testimonials that you see on these fat burner commercials and things like that. I'm going to tell you real what you have to do if you are serious about this thing. Okay, I'm going to break this down into very easy steps so that it is easy to understand, and if you are serious about it, you would watch this whole series up until the end, and most importantly, you would put in all the work that I have educated you on. And one of the misconceptions that I really want to clear out is what people have this image in their head of what weight loss is supposed to look like, right? We have an image in our head that once we start dieting, following some special weight loss diet, we lose weight every week or we lose weight every month, and after the weight loss is over, we don't have to care for it. It's just going to we have to take care of few basic things, and then the weight loss maintains itself. It doesn't work like that at all. The amount of work that you put in order to lose weight, you need to continue to put in the same amount of effort for the rest of your life every single day if you want to maintain that weight. This is a journey that never gets easy. Only you get harder, only you get tougher, you get more disciplined, and if you're serious about it, you just wake up and put in the work every single day. So in this whole program, I'm going to give it to you everything, at least most of the things that you really need in order to lose weight and then maintain it thereafter. With that, let's start with exactly what this program is about. So what is this program all about? This program is all about just making you understand the foundation of weight loss. Now, many people, what they do is, you must have like the same story again and again, is people get some kind of diet off of the internet, or they ask their friend, or they go to a nutritionist, go to a dietitian, they get a diet chart, they follow that diet chart in 100% the most disciplined way, they lose a ton of weight, and in a year or so they like totally regain it back again. The reason is they don't have the important things in order. Okay, before you go to actually losing weight, before you set up these goals that you want to lose like a kg of weight loss, you want to lose a kg of weight in a week, or you want to lose like 5 kgs in a month or something like that, you need to set straight your foundation. Okay, and that is what this whole program is all about. Now, I don't want you to see this program as just a normal vanilla program where I'm just going to tell you, you need to sleep early, or you need to eat more whole foods and things like that. I'm going to specifically tell you what to eat, what not to eat to lose weight. Okay, but you need to understand that weight loss works in a pyramid fashion. Okay, and at the base is your foundation, and your foundation is basically whether you have the ability to maintain your weight loss. Okay, you need to set few things straight first. You need to understand the process of weight loss, the basics of dieting, the basics of nutrition, such that you can carry them forever, for the rest of your life, so that whatever weight loss you achieve after you have formed your foundation, you'll be able to keep it off, right? You'll be able to maintain your weight loss. Okay, and that is what this program is all about. This program is very basic, but don't think for a second that those basics aren't going to produce results. Basics is what produced 80% of the results. Next up is for whom. Okay, who is going to benefit the most from this program, right? Now, if you are a sort of person who just has like 4 or 5 kgs to lose, or I would say even just 10 kgs to lose before you go reach that 12-13% body fat percentage, then this program might not help you that much. I have made this program for the lay audience, for the real overweight people who have been struggling from to lose weight for years and years and years, and some people for even decades. I'm trying to teach you the basics here. I'm trying to make you strong for your everyday life, such that not only you lose weight on this program, you should be able to maintain it for the rest of your life. Just a couple of minutes ago, how we saw, we are trying to learn the foundation of the program, and then you have to go into the actual weight loss mode, where you can set up goals for yourself for every week and every month. If you just have like 5 or 10 kgs to lose, then you are going to benefit more from the actual weight loss phase. Not saying that you don't need the foundational phase. Without foundational, you cannot maintain any of the weight loss that you achieve. So this is going to benefit you. But if you just have 5 or 10 kgs of weight to lose before you reach like 12 or 10% body fat percentage, then you might not experience a lot of weight loss on this program. But nonetheless, this is going to definitely help you in some way, shape or form. However, if you're a sort of person has like 20 kgs to lose, 25 kgs to lose, then this program is straight out of the gate going to blow your brains off. Okay, so that is it. Take your time in watching this program. Please make sure you watch every single video. Try to understand this. This is a long-term game. Unless you don't educate yourself on every tiny piece of this whole puzzle, you are never going to get a permanent success. You are never going to get a permanent weight loss. Okay, I'm going to put a lot of work into this program. So if you're serious about it, do it step by step, do it very patiently, do it incredibly patiently, and I'll see you in the next video.